Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillUp. In this video, I will tell you how to format JSON in Notepad. So let's get started. At first, open Notepad++ on your computer and open the JSON file you want to format. Ensure the JSON content is visible within the Notepad++ editor. To format JSON, you will need the JSON Viewer plugin in Notepad++. Go to the Plugins menu, select here, install the JSON Tool plugin. Then click on Install and Notepad will restart. After installing the JSON plugin, you can find it under Plugin. Click on it, then click here. The plugin will automatically format the JSON code, arranging it in a structured, indented, and easy-to-read format within the Notepad++ editor. Once the JSON code is neatly formatted, you can save the file with the organized JSON structure. So, that's how you can format JSON in Notepad++. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillUp. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.